we're going to be opening some of these Hot Wheels. First is the 69 Mercury Cougar Illuminator. This is a Mercury Cougar Illuminator. Silver in the bottom, black rings and blue and black bottom. Then we have an 80s alchemy. Doing this 80s alchemy, and we're going to real quick open it, which I need to open this off camera. So, if we just do that, then we're green, silver, and white, and black, one of these. Using them, finally, they're the finally, really the Dodge start. We're opening that. That's our purple, white, silver Dodge Eliminator, or no, Dodge start. Thanks for watching, guys.